Welcome back to Tech Vibes, and today we're fixing software issues on your MARCEL Smart TV. If your MARCEL Smart TV is slow, frozen, or glitching, a factory reset usually fixes it. Make sure your MARCEL Smart TV is powered on and connected to electricity. Pick up the remote that came with your MARCEL Smart TV. Press the home button on the MARCEL Smart TV remote to open the main menu. Use the arrow keys to navigate carefully on the MARCEL Smart TV screen. Select the settings option displayed on your MARCEL Smart TV. Scroll down inside settings on your MARCEL Smart TV slowly. Find and select System or Device Preferences on your MARCEL Smart TV. Open the Reset or About section on your MARCEL Smart TV. Choose Factory Reset on your MARCEL Smart TV menu. Read the warning message shown on your MARCEL Smart TV screen carefully. Confirm that you want to reset your MARCEL Smart TV. Enter the PIN for your MARCEL Smart TV if prompted. Select Yes to begin the factory reset on your MARCEL Smart TV. Wait as your MARCEL Smart TV starts the reset process. Do not unplug your MARCEL Smart TV during this reset. The MARCEL Smart TV screen may turn black for a moment. Your MARCEL Smart TV will restart automatically. After restarting, the MARCEL Smart TV will load the welcome screen. Choose your language on the MARCEL Smart TV setup screen. Connect your MARCEL Smart TV to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Sign into your Google or system account on the MARCEL Smart TV. Allow updates if your MARCEL Smart TV requests them. Let the MARCEL Smart TV complete the initial setup. If the remote doesn't respond, check batteries for the MARCEL Smart TV remote. Power off the MARCEL Smart TV using the remote. Unplug the MARCEL Smart TV from the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds for the MARCEL Smart TV power cycle. Plug the MARCEL Smart TV power cable back in. Turn on the MARCEL Smart TV again. Check if the original issue on your MARCEL Smart TV is fixed. Navigate menus smoothly on the MARCEL Smart TV to confirm performance. Open apps on the MARCEL Smart TV one by one. Verify sound output from the MARCEL Smart TV speakers. Check picture clarity on the MARCEL Smart TV display. Adjust basic settings again on your MARCEL Smart TV. Reinstall apps you use on your MARCEL Smart TV. Avoid installing unknown apps on your MARCEL Smart TV. Keep your MARCEL Smart TV software updated regularly. Restart your MARCEL Smart TV once a week for stability. If issues return, repeat the factory reset on the MARCEL Smart TV. A factory reset refreshes the MARCEL Smart TV system completely. This method works for most software bugs on MARCEL Smart TV. If your MARCEL Smart TV still has problems, contact support. Always use the original power cable with your MARCEL Smart TV. Avoid sudden power cuts while using the MARCEL Smart TV. Your MARCEL Smart TV should now work smoothly. Thanks for trusting Tech Vibes with your MARCEL Smart TV fix. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next Tech Vibes video.